live. Well, actually, if you're watching this on Friday, we're live. If you're not, we're recorded. I'm here with Rodney. State your name.
Rodney.
Okay.
And Sandra.
Sandra. So where are you guys from?
We're from Tacoma, Washington.
Okay, yeah, it's nice. I heard the political climate up there is cold and rainy, just like the weather.
Exactly.
So now, what brought you folks down?
Well, I was having heart issues after visiting the VA hospital, and they told me I needed a pacemaker. So I'm down here seeing you.
I thought there's no way my husband's getting a pacemaker. I knew Dr. Bergman could take care of it.
Well, what's neat is, if you know the heart has two nerve supplies, one's coming out of the upper neck area, one's coming out of the upper thoracic area. If you look at that, and then you look at neurotransmitter production of the gut, that's pretty much how the heart works. I mean, you guys have heard of scurvy, right?
Yeah.
Scurvy can actually cause cardiac arrhythmias by that's called the chordae tendineae, the ligaments that hold the valve to the heart muscle. That can cause it. So you got to look at the cause. The medical world, a lot of times they just figure, oh, it's not working right. Let's put something to bypass the electrical conductivity. So what are you guys doing taking care of your health?
Well, we started juicy, and that helped. Right. Cleaned up my blood. And actually, we've done nothing but eat vegetables for the most part.
Yeah, well, we eat pretty good. It's just the issue that like what you said, he's lacking minerals and needs his, chiropractic care to get him, all working and, getting his minerals up, getting his, essential oils up, essential minerals.
I know. Sometimes fast. Well, what's cool is, when you came down, we did the whole thing, the thermography, the x-rays, everything else.
Yeah.
What do you think of the place down here?
I think it's great. I really.
Yeah. We love Roberto and Hugo, the guys that drive us from the border pollution. Yeah. And the people here are so nice. It's so wonderful. We feel welcome. This is my third time here, fourth time seeing you, because we live up in Tacoma, but, I try to come down at least 3 to 4 times a year, but this is the third time this year.
How cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now, because you're doing something unusual, you're taking charge of your health, and I know you're not following advice from the VA.
No.
Okay.
Definitely.
Because a lot of times when you do follow the medical advice, and I know this is going to sound shocking, because if you watch this video in 21-23, not 2023, you're going to think, my God, the medical doctors, the leading health authorities were giving a toxic chemical that had a myriad of side effects to control the symptom that the body was expressing intelligently.
Yeah.
Yeah, crazy.
Oh, no, that's crazy, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the point. Well, it's kind of like at the end of every drug advertisement, they got some long list that they mention, and everything seems to be, don't take that drug. And yet they say, tell your doctor how you'd love to have it.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Yeah. And now, have you always been taking care of your own health?
Well,
I have. I tried as much as I can. After we learned about you and how you show us how to take care of our health, we did what the propaganda told us to do, and we ended up with high blood pressure, overweight, heart issues and whatever. Yeah. But after we found out, we watched your videos, we saw what, we need to do, it helped us take more control. We did what we thought was right, but, we're showing us. I know we are brilliant ones.
Oh, well, it's so cool because, your mom and grandma told you this, okay? It's truth in your soul that your body is intelligent, built by God, self-healing and self-regulating. Yeah. So if it is self-healing and self-regulating, and they diagnose you with high blood pressure, why is it high? No, take this drug, and they don't think about anything else. Yeah. Okay, brilliant. So what can you do? Already just you being here is going to inspire other people.
Yeah.
Okay. If they can make it down, if they can take charge of their health, if they can get their health back to restored. Have you done any IVs? Have you done any of the dental work? Have you done any of that stuff down here?
Yes, I have done. Well, we both have done IVs.
Yes.
IVs through the ear, and I went back feeling great. I looked 10 years younger, and then the doctors told him, I want this known. The doctors told him to get a pacemaker. We chose not to. We chose to come down here. Pacemakers are not what needs to happen. I wanted that said. But yeah, we're doing. We've done
How have you
everything.
been doing now that you've been down here?
Doing good.
Feeling great.
I'm doing really good. It's like fantastic.
Okay, take care of yourself. Find the problem, because I'm not fixing anything. I'm removing the interference so the body can adapt better. That's how the body works. That's what we do. Your body's already intelligent. And a doctor that says, I know what your blood pressure should be. No, he doesn't. He's lying. Your body is self-healing, self-regulating. Look at how it's adapting and fix the physical, chemical, and emotional stressors. You've never heard me say that, have I?
Only a gazillion times.
I know. It's like what the couple of my philosophy instructors, they would say the same story over and over. And about the fifth hearing of it, it's like, I get it now. It's like it's not like I'm slow, but it's just like, each time you hear that, there's a little bit of wisdom that you need to lean from it. Yeah. And then, the light bulb comes on.
It's like filling up a boat, little class at a time. Eventually, you get it fills up and drowns.
God bless you both. Okay, thanks for coming down. Thanks for inspiring people. Take charge of your health. If you can't make it here, make it somewhere that respects the body and the body's processes. God bless you.